Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial. If you're concerned about your privacy and want to stop websites from accessing your location, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to disable location access in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your mobile phone. Tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down the settings list until you find Site Settings and tap it. Inside the Site Settings, scroll down again and find Location. Tap it. On the Location pane, simply turn off the toggle to disable location access for all websites. That's it. You've successfully disabled location access in Chrome Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe for more useful tutorials. Stay safe and in control of your online privacy. See you next time.